Helpinvesting.com is a name that sounds like it will offer great financial services and huge profits. However, behind the polished appearance lies a dangerous trap that draws investors in with lies and scams. They tricks people into giving them their money by saying that investing online can make them rich quickly. Their sales talks and fancy website make it look like they're successful, but don't fall for it. A lot of people have lost their hard-earned money because of LPI Investing's manipulative actions. What seems like a good chance to make money as an investor quickly turns into a nightmare of failure and hopelessness. They can do whatever it wants because it is anonymous and dishonest. While avoiding governmental scrutiny, they mess with the markets, hold back withdrawals, and lie to investors to get them to invest money. Report your case to us. You will get the link in this video description. Remember that there is assistance available if LP investing has harmed you. BrokerComplaintAlert.com's committed team helps people who have been scammed out of money by giving them the support and knowledge they need to get their money back and seek justice. Do something right now to get back what's rightfully yours. Get in touch with us right away to help fight financial scams.